Good evening, Advait.
Good evening, sir.
I'm not sure if others will join. We'll get started. So we'll start with paper discussion for test number 2. Yeah. So what is the answer for the first one?
Irrational number.
That's it. Oh, sorry. It is an irrational number. Correct. The zeros of the polynomial are x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. If you factorize it, x is equal to 3 comma minus 1. So option B. Right. So which term of the AP is 0? 72, 63.
9.
So A 9.
No,
No?
not 9.
D is minus 9. No? Minus 9, correct?
Yes,
So D
sir.
is
Yes.
minus. One is minus 1 into D is 9, 0. So 72 is equal to 9 into n minus 1. This will cancel this 8 times. So n is equal to 9. So it is the 9th term. Right? So I hope you got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Right. So in the given figure, angle ADE is equal to angle ABC.
9/2.
Angle ADA is equal to angle ABC. CE is equal to, how much is it? 9/2.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Correct. So I'm not doing it. So what did you use? Basic? Or you can say both the triangles are going to be similar? Because one of the angles is common.
Similarities.
Yeah, use similarities and take the ratios of the corresponding sides. They should be in the same proportion, right? So the pair of linear equation x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So x is equal to a is a line like this, y is equal to b is like this, represents lines which intersect each other at the point a comma b. So option C is the answer. Got
Yes, sir.
it? This is x is equal to a, this is y equal to b. Next. So in the figure shown below, O is the center of the circle, PQ is a chord. Okay, PQ is a chord and PT tangent at 30 degrees and P with PQ. And
I got 100 degrees, sir.
how much did you get?
100 degrees. Sir, your voice is breaking.
Come again. My voice
Sir,
is
your
also
voice
breaking.
is breaking.
Oh. Advait, is it better now?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah. So what is the answer you told?
You told 100 degrees.
100 is correct. So what is the logic? So how did you solve?
Tangent equal to 90 degrees, and then I
You
just
have the
used
question
the
paper
angle
with you. So tangent is going at 90 degrees. So this is going to be at 40. So this will be 40. So this is also 40 because both are radius. So this will be 100. Correct. Is that the logic you used?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. 16 cot x is equal to 12.
Sir, I can't see
So
your screen.
1 minute. Now
Yes,
is
sir,
it
I can see
visible?
now.
So cot x is equal to 12 divided by 16. My device is also torturing me. Wait. It's troubling me. I have some network issue, I think. Just give me a minute. I hope my voice is stable now.
Yes, sir, I can hear you now.
Okay. So cot x is equal to 12 divided by 16. So which is going to be 3 by 4. So if cot x is 3 by 4, this is x means this is 3, this is 4, then this will be 5.
Yes, sir.
So what is, so sin x is 4 by 5. Cos x is 3 by 5. So 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is 1 by 5 divided by 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is 7 by 5. So 1 by 7 should be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes. see, I'm doing it fast, but I hope you understand. But I hope
Yes,
you're
sir, I
writing
got the
it.
same answer.
Yeah. But I hope you're writing the detailed steps. Here, the answer is not important for CPS. It's the steps.
Yes, sir.
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
writing
Same
it?
steps.
Okay. Yes. So ladder is a ladder which is 12 meter long, rests against the wall, reaches the wall at a height of 6 root 3. So this is 12. This is 6 root 3. The angle of elevation is, if I take this
Root
angle
3 by
p
2.
theta, then what is sin theta?
45 degrees.
So sin theta. No. 60, no.
Oh,
Yes, sir,
yes,
60.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone else join? Yeah. The distance between the points, simplest question, root of 25 plus 25, root 50. 5 root 2 should be there. Root 50 means how much? Root 50 is 5 root 2, correct. So 5 root 2 should be the answer. Did you
Yes,
get
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So on increasing the radius of a circle by 30 degrees, the area is increased. That area is decreased by. Sorry, on decreasing the radius of the circle by 30 degrees, the area is reduced by.
So this one, I don't think it's any of the options. I
No,
think it's
I put none of these, sir.
None of these is the answer. So what is the answer you got? It should be 51%.
Yes, sir, 51%.
So how did you proceed? So original area, if I take, original area is pi r square. This initial area. What about the final area? Pi into
7,
7r by
10.
the whole square. Right. So percentage decrease will be pi into 7r by 10 the whole square minus pi r square divided by pi r square into 100. Okay. Pi gets cancelled, r square gets cancelled. So you have 7 square minus 10 square divided by 10 square into 100. Cancel this and this. So 7 square is 49. 49 minus 100 will be minus 51. So answer should have been 51% decrease. Is that point clear? So if at all a question is asked on percentage change, right? This is the formula. So percentage change is what? Final minus initial divided by initial into 100. Okay. So if you know this well and good, if you don't know, please make a note of it. Into 100. Okay. Now what is the answer for the 12th one?
Sir, I used empirical formula.
So what is it?
3 median equals to 2 mean plus 1 mode.
Correct. So basically, 3 median is equal to, actually it is given like this, mode is equal to 3 times median
Median minus 2 mean.
minus 2 times mean. Now they are asking mode only, no? So 3 times median is 81 minus 66. What will be the answer? Correct only, no? Oh, mean is 27. Oh, sorry. So 3 times 33, that is 99 minus 54. So last digit should be 5. So 45 will be there. Okay. So if the sphere is inscribed in a cube, then the ratio of the volume of the cube to the volume of the sphere. Volume of the cube is a cube divided by. So if a sphere is inscribed in a cube, what will be the radius of the sphere? It will be a by 2. So it will be 4 by 3 pi into a by 2 the whole cube. Am I right? Guys, am
Sir,
I
I
clear?
did it a little differently, sir.
How did you do?
Sir, I took the radius as r and I took the edge as 2r.
Both are same. Both are
Sir,
same.
but calculation will be different. Is that okay?
No. Because that 2r which you took, this 2 will go to the numerator as cube. It will be the same thing. Both are
Okay,
right.
sir.
Yeah. So it should be 6 by pi. This is what you would have sure got. If you want, I'll do it in your method and show. You took a is equal to 2r. No, 2r the whole cube divided by 4 by 3. You will get the same answer. I'll do and show. Wait. So 2r the whole cube divided by, as long as you didn't write it as 2r cube, you will get the same answer. That is one common mistake which I've seen people doing. Pi r cube. So how much is this? 8r cube divided by 4 pi r cube divided by 3. This will get cancelled twice. R cube and r cube are gone. 3 will go to the numerator. 6 pi pi. It's the same answer. They will get the same.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The probability of getting 2 hits when the coins are tossed.
1 by 4.
When 2 coins are tossed. The probability of getting 2 hits is how much?
Sir, 1 by 4.
Correct. So I hope you know the reason for it.
Sir, 4 possibilities, 1 favorable condition, 1 by 4.
That's right. That's right. So 1 minute, I'm constantly checking the solution also. If there is any mistake in the solution sheet, I have to correct it. So 14th one, what is the answer? A will be correct. 15th one, the 7th term from the end of AP. So when they give it like this, no, write it in the reverse. 49. So if you observe, what is a common difference here? It is 3. Right. So when you write it in the reverse, the common difference will be minus 3. 49, 46, 43, so on till minus 11. Am I right? So what is the 7th term from the end? A will be equal to 49, B will be equal to 3. So A7 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So that is 49 plus 7 minus 1 into 3. So 49 plus 18. How much will be the answer?
Sir, you took D as 3, won't D be minus 3? Because if you take A as 49, then you're coming from reverse, then D. Oh, no. Yes.
Minus 3. So this will be minus 3. 49 minus 18 is how much?
The
20. But still, I'm not getting, no? 1 minute. Minus 11, 3. So B is minus 3, correct? 49.
31, sir.
Sorry. 30. 16. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. So, so that AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter, AE is 3.2. So AD is 2.4, AE is 3.2, EC is how much? 4.8. Then AB is how much?
Sir, 2.4 plus 6.4. So it will be 8.4. Sorry, 8.8.
8.8. But there is no option, no?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Let me do it again.
See, it's very simple. 2.4 divided by AB is equal to 3.2 divided by 3.2 plus 4.8 is 8. So this will go 0.3 times. This will go 0.4 times. This will go 20 times. So AB should be equal to 6. This would be the answer.
Okay, sir. I made a mistake here.
Yeah. If theta is acute angle such that cos theta is equal to 3/5, sin theta into tan theta is 1. Sorry, sin theta into tan theta minus 1 divided by 2 tan square theta. See, if cos theta is 3/5, this is theta, this is 3, this is 5, this will be 4. So sin theta is 4/5, tan theta is 4/3 minus 1, the whole divided by 2 times tan square theta, that is 4/3 the whole square. So it is 16/15 minus 1 divided by 2 into 8/9. So it is 1 divided by 15 divided by 16/9. So how much will be the answer? 9 divided by, okay, I'll cancel this with 5 and this with 3. So 3 divided by 80, is there an option? So 4 is 16/15. Sin theta into 2 tan square theta, that is, oh, not 8, sorry. It is 16/9. Correct only, no? Oh, I left a 2 here. Huh? So here there is a 2 means it is 3 divided by 160. This is the option. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
17th D is the right answer. What about the 18th one? If the radius of the circle is 21, angle subtended by arc is 60 degree at the center, then the length of the arc is, what is the formula for length of the arc?
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta is 60, so 60 is 1/6 of 2 pi r. 2 into pi is 3.14 because all the I'm able to see decimal values, into r is 21. So this goes 3 times, this goes 7 times. So how much will be the answer? On calculating this, how much will you get the answer as? Okay, let me do one thing. If I take this as, instead of 3.14, if I take it as 22/7 into r is 21, no? I can cancel this and this 3 times. So that this is left out 1/6. So this goes 3, this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. You will be left out with 22. I hope you understood. You want me to do it again and show? See, theta by 360 is 1/6 into 2 into pi is 22/7 into r is 21. This gets cancelled thrice. This goes 2 times. So 2 and 2 are gone. Left out value is 22 centimeter. Okay. So what is the answer for this one? What is the answer, guys? So if I are you there?
2 OPQ.
2 OPQ is correct. So how to do this? If this is theta, this will be 180 minus 2 theta, 180 minus 2 theta. Am I right?
Yes, sir. I think this is example 2 from the chapter.
Something like that. So this total angle is 90. Out of 90, 180 minus 2 theta is gone. So 90 minus of 180 minus 2 theta is how much? It's not 180 minus 2 theta. So if I take this to be 1 minute, I just want to do and show it. If this is theta, this is alpha, okay? So 2 alpha plus theta is 180. So alpha will be 90 minus theta by 2. Am I right? So out of 90, 90 minus theta by 2 is gone, means this will be theta by 2. So like how you told, if this is theta by 2. So it will be 2 times OPQ, correct? Clear? So 1 minute. Next is problem number 20. Yeah. So the positive value of k for which this equation and equation both have real roots. So how do I write? For them to have real roots, what is the condition? B square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. So k square minus 64 should be greater than or equal to 0. No, b square minus 4ac. So k square minus 256 should be greater than or equal to 0. So k square should be greater than or equal to 256. Correct? Am I right? Similarly, what is this? 64 minus 4k should be greater than or equal to 0, which implies k should be less than or equal to 16. Here k should be greater than or equal to 16. Am I right? So if I take the intersection of these two, what should be the value of k? K should exactly be 16. Did you guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So find the value of k for which the equation has real and equal roots. Real and equal roots means discriminant is 0, which implies b square minus 4ac is 0. So b square minus 4ac is 4 into k minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 4 and 4 are gone. K square plus 1 minus 2k minus k minus 1 is 0. So 1 and 1 are gone. K square minus 3k is equal to 0, which implies k into k minus 3 is 0. So k should be 0 or k should be 3. So these are the values for which this equation has real and equal roots. Okay. So solve for x and y using substitution method. So y will be equal to 7 minus 2x. Take this and substitute it in second equation. So 4x minus 3 into 7 minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 4x minus 21 plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 10x is equal to 20. So x will be equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, substitute it back in any one of the equation. So you will have 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 7. So y will be equal to 3. So the solution will be 2, 3. Okay. So 23rd, a letter of the English alphabet is chosen at random. Find the probability that the letter so chosen is vowel. Answer. How many are there? A, E, I, O, U. 5 are there out of?
5 by 26.
Okay. What about the consonants?
21 by 26.
That's it. If D is equal to HCF for 48 and 72, find the value of D. So for 48, if you do the prime factorization and write, how can you write it? You can write it as 16 into 3. So that is 2 power 4 into 3. Similarly, 72, how can you write? You can write it as 18 into 4. Or you can write it as 24 into 3. So 24 can be written as 8 into 3 into 8 into 3. So you'll have 2 cube into 3 square. So what is going to be the highest common factor? So it will be 2 cube into 3, which will be 24. Right? So find the zeros of the polynomial and verify the relation between its zeros and coefficients. So what are the zeros of this polynomial? So 2x square plus 5x minus 12 is equal to 0 if you equate it. So what are the factors of 24? 8 and 3. So I can write it as 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. So 2x into x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 by 2 or minus 4. So what are the zeros? 3 by 2 or 3 by 2 and minus 4 are going to be the zeros. So what are the sum of the zeros? Minus 4 plus 3 by 2 is going to give me minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5 by 2. Are we getting it? So sum of the roots is minus b by a. So minus b is minus 5 divided by 2. What about the product of the roots? Product of the roots should give you minus 6. So minus 6 means it is c by a. So c is minus 12, a is 2. That will give you minus 6. Am I right? Yeah, Advait, Purna and Tanishka, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So if at all any problem is doubt, no, please stop me. I'm doing it fast because you wrote the test yesterday only. Okay. So solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. How to do this? So when you take LCM, what will you get? X into x plus 3 minus of 1 minus x into x minus 2. The whole divided by x into x minus 2 is equal to 17 divided by 4. So what will you get? X square plus 3x minus x plus x square plus 2 minus 2x. The whole multiplied with 4 is equal to 17x square minus 34x. Okay, x square plus x square is going to be 2x square. 3x minus 3x is gone. Plus 2 is equal to 17x square minus 34x. So this goes to the other side. So 15x square minus 34x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 15 2s, is this right? No, I missed this 4. 1 minute, 1 minute. I missed this 4. So it will be 8x square plus 8. So this goes to the other side. 17x square minus 8x square is 9x square minus 34x minus 8 is 0. So 9 into 8 is 72. So what are going to be the factors?
36 and 2.
36 and 2. So 9x square minus 36x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So 9x into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 by 9 or 4. Correct? So that's the answer.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what about the 27th one? A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if the policies are only given to the persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So the data is given to us. So what is going to be the median?
So you mean the formula?
First, we need to prepare a table, no?
Yes, sir.
I need a cumulative frequency. Below 25 means 20 to 25. This will be 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40
So
to
the
45.
given is itself is cumulative frequency, right, sir?
Which one?
Number of policy holders itself is
But you need,
cumulative.
yeah. That is, so you need the frequency actually.
Yes, sir.
You need the frequency. So here we need to do the subtraction. So 40 to 45, It is going to be 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. So what is going to be the frequency here? 2, you need to subtract 4, 2, 4, 18,
21, 33,
21, 33. Tell me the numbers.
33, 11, 362.
11, 3, 6, 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have this thing. So what is going to be the formula?
L
Median
plus
is
n by 2 minus CF by F into H.
by F, the whole multiplied with H. So what is the value of L? So cumulative frequency is 100, no? So 100 by 2 is how much? 50. So what is the number that is coming after 50? So here it is
78.
45, 78. So for 78, for this class interval, what is going to be the value of L? It is 35 plus. Advait, I hope you're clear. And Purna. Please give me a confirmation. Are you guys clear or not? Advait and Purna, are you guys clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So n by 2 is 50 minus. What should I take the cumulative frequency as? Cumulative frequency will take off the preceding, the previous class.
Previous one.
That is 45 divided by, yes, divided by, you take the frequency of the,
Median
you take
class.
frequency of the median class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 33.
Yes, sir.
33 into class interval on the 5.
Right.
So you know the answer. Kanishka, I hope you have your paper with you.
Yeah,
So
sir,
5
I got
divided by 33.
35.6.
35.6.
6.
35.6.
Actually, yeah, it goes on, sir. So I put 35.60.
Okay, the answer given here is 35.76. The calculation part alone, I'm leaving it to you. Check it, okay?
Okay, sir.
So 25 by 33 is coming out to be 0.76. So area of the sector of a circle of radius 36 centimeter is 54 pi centimeter square. Find the length of the corresponding arc of the sector. So theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to 54 pi. So pi and pi will get cancelled. R square is, so theta by 360 into 36 is equal to 54. This goes 10 times. This goes 2, this is 3 times. So theta will be equal to 30 divided by 2. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So 30 by
15.
2 is 15 degree. So find the length of the corresponding arc. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So theta is 15 divided by 360 into 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 36. So this goes 10 times. 3, 2, 2 and 2 are gone. So 3 into 22 is 66. 66 divided by 7 should be the answer.
9.42.
Okay, whatever it is. Or you can leave the answer as 3 into 22 by 7 as pi. 3 pi will also be an acceptable answer. Both are.
Okay, sir.
29th. A cone, a hemisphere, a cylinder stand on equal bases and have the same height. Show that their volumes are in the ratio 1:2:3. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is 2. Volume of hemisphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Or hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube is 2. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So what gets cancelled? Pi r square, pi r square, pi r square.
Sir, and radius will be equal to height. So height also will be
That's
cancelled.
Radius will be equal to height. It gets cancelled. So 1 by 3 is to 2 by 3 is to 1. So multiply with 3 on both the throughout. So you'll get 1 is to 2 is to 3. Simple, no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So from the top of a building 60-meter high, the angles of depression of the top and bottom of a vertical lamppost are observed to be 30° and 60° respectively. Okay, there is a lamppost and there is a building. From the top of this building, the angles of depressions are observed to be 30 degrees and 60° like this. So you need to find the horizontal distance between the building and the lamppost. If this is taken as A and this is B, so if I drop a perpendicular, if this height is h, this height will be h, and this building is going to be 60 minus h, correct? Right. So if I take this to be x, this will also be x. So 60 minus h divided by, or I can directly do one thing, no? I can take this total height as 60. So if this is 30, this will also be 30. This is 60, correct? A,
The
B,
total
C.
height is only 60, sir. That's what we give.
Other connect.
Mm.
So I can take the bigger triangle. So 60 divided by x is equal to tan 60, correct?
Yes, sir.
Up x 60 by tan 60 upper root 3. So 60 into root 3 divided by 3 or 20 root 3 is the answer. Is this what
Yes,
you got?
sir. Yes, sir.
20 root 3 or root 3 you can write it as 1.732 and multiply, that will give you 34.64 meter.
Meter. Yes,
Height
sir.
of the lamp. Yeah, height of the lamppost they have asked. So height of the lamppost, you can do this thing. You can take the smaller triangle. 60 minus h divided by x is equal to tan 13. Correct? So 60 minus h is equal to tan 30 is 1 by root 3 into x. X is 20 root 3. So cancel this and this. So h will be equal to 40. Got it? I don't know
Yes,
how you
sir.
people did. Did you guys do it like this, or is there any alternate way that you thought of?
Like this only I did, sir.
This one only. Others, any suggestions? Any other suggestions? Advait and Purna? Nothing?
No, sir.
Okay. If 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta is true and 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta, so prove that 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta is equal to plus or minus root 3. So given is 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 2. See, whenever you have this answer as plus or minus something, right? See, for example, 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta, if I take it to be d, you should always square and add them. Square them and add. So that first one will give you 4 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta plus 2ab. That is 12 sin theta cos theta is equal to 4. Similarly, what about the second one? You will get 9 sin square theta plus 4 cos square theta minus 12 sin theta cos theta is equal to d square. So when you add both, these two get added and these two get added in such a way, you get 4 into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 9 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. These two get cancelled is equal to 4 plus d square. So what would be the answer? 13 is equal to 4 plus d square. So d square is equal to 9, which implies d is equal to plus or minus 3. So d is equal to plus or minus root 3. Am I clear, guys? So this is what
Yes,
they
sir.
asked, no? Right? So I hope everyone did this problem. So 32nd we are done now. Where is 32nd question? What is the question? I don't have it here. Can you tell me what is the question for 32nd one? Got this. Just give me a minute. I'm opening the paper. Tanishka, you have the question paper with you?
Yes, sir.
Kojo, can you read that question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
30 seconds. Lama.
Just a minute, sir.
Sure.
Can I read it, sir?
Read it now.
If cos theta is equal to 3 by 5, find
Cos
the
theta-
value.
Find the value
Cos
of
theta is equal to 3 by 5. Find the value of sin theta minus 1 by sin theta, the whole by 2 tan theta.
Oh, that's it. See, cos theta is 3 by 5 now, but sin theta. I'm not even drawing the triangle. By now you should have got.
So 1 by tan theta, sir.
Eduma 1 by tan theta. Enga numerator.
Yeah, sir.
Display. Okay, correct type of question.
Yes, sir. No, it's good.
Okay, see, simple. Cos theta is 3 by 5. Up sin theta 4 by 5. I'm not even drawing the triangle because 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Right? Then what is
Yes, sir.
tan theta? 4 by 3. Just substitute all the values. So 4 by 5 minus 4 by 3 will 3 by 4. Correct? By 2 into 4 by 3. So when you take LCM 16 minus 15, the whole divided by 20, whole divided by 8 by 3. So that will be 1 by 20 by 8 by 3. So answer should be 3 divided by 160. Check if this is what you people got. 3 divided by 160 should be the answer. Right? Yes. The angle of elevation of a stationary cloud from a point 2500 meter above a lake is 15 degree, and the angle of depression of the reflection of its reflection in lake is 45 degree. What is the height of the cloud above the lake? So this is the lake level at a point which is 2500 meter above the lake. They are observing a cloud. And what is the angle of elevation found to be? It is found to be 15 degrees. I'm sorry, guys. This question you will not be able to solve. You should get marks for this because
Yes,
you will
sir.
not. You don't know the value of tan 15. No, there is a formula. I should have at least given you the value there. You will not be able to solve this. Fine. So marks should be awarded. I'll draw the diagram. Suppose the same question instead of 15 degrees, if it comes as 30 degrees in your exam, right, you should be able to handle it. Okay. I thought someone will ask me. None of you asked also. So 15, you'll not be able to solve. Okay, let me complete the diagram. If I take this to be the cloud, right? So the reflection of this cloud, okay, is found somewhere over here. Am I clear? So the angle of depression to its reflection is found to be 45 degrees. This is 45. Is that clear? Suppose had the question been 30 degrees, you would have been able to solve this. Right. So for this question, you should get the marks. So keeping the marks aside, are you clear with the diagram? If this question comes in exam with a different value, will you be able to handle it?
Yes, sir.
Right. If this is 2500, if this is x, okay, if this height is x, then this distance will also be x plus 2500. Why is it so? Because this is a plane surface. We know according to a plane mirror, the object distance and the image distances are the same. So it will be x plus 2500. Am I right? So having that in mind, you should be able to solve. So 34th. In the given figure, DEFG is a square and angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Prove that angle AGF is similar to triangle DBG. How to do this? Guys, I need some discussion.
So
How did
angle
you-
FG will be equal to angle GDB, which is equal to 90 degree.
Which one? Angle FG?
FAG and GDB.
FAG. FAG is 19 கொடுத்திருக்கேன். FGA was already.
No, sir, I'm telling FAG and GDB.
GDB, they are 90. Okay.
And then angle AGF will be equal to angle DBG.
Angle AGF, if I take this to be theta, will be equal to
DBG.
this angle. Why is it so?
Corresponding angles.
Correct. Okay. So according to AA criteria, the triangles are
Similar.
okay. So which two triangles are similar? AGF and DGB are similar. Correct. Next, what about AGF and EFC?
Same, sir. Angle FAG is equal to angle CEF.
Okay.
which
Use
will
the
be
same
90
logic.
degree. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then what about the third one?
I told from the first question, second question, all three are similar.
Yes. So after that, if you use the condition for similarity, then you should get this.
Yes, sir.
So which two triangles, since DE is coming?
DBG and EFC.
Yes. If you take this this condition and draw it, you'll get the answer. So solid is in the form of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. So there is a cylinder with hemispherical ends. Okay. The total height of the solid is found to be 19 centimeter. Okay. And the diameter of the cylinder is found to be 7. So diameter is 7 centimeter. Find the volume and the total surface area of the solid. So what is the volume? Volume is equal to pi r square h plus 4 pi r square. Why did I write 4 pi r square? Because two hemispheres joined together will give you a sphere. So pi r square into r plus h. Pi is how much? 22 by 7 into r square is how much now? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into r is 7 by 2 plus h is going to be 19. This is 7 by 2. This is 7 by 2. So 19 minus 7 is 12. Guys, am I clear? So height of the cylinder is 12. So 7, 7 gone. This cancel this 11 times. So 77 by 2 into 7 plus 24 is 31. So 31 divided by 2. Right? So 77 into 31 divided by 4. Anybody with the final answer?
I got 641.67 centimeter.
Correct. Centimeter cube. Now, what about the total surface area of the solid? Total surface area of solid is equal to 2 pi RH, the curved surface area of the cylinder, plus 1 minute. What is the mistake here? I didn't check this. What is the mistake here? I don't know if you even told me. Advait? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
You
What is
missed
the
that 4, sir. No, 4 by 3 pi r cube.
I wrote the area.
Yeah.
I thought you guys, I actually. I just observed. So it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is pi r square into h plus 4r by 3. Correct? So pi is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h is 12 plus 4 into r is 7 by 2 divided by 3. This cancel this 2 times. So it is going to be 14 divided by 3. 1 7 and 1 7 are gone. 11. So it is still 77 by 2 into 3 is 36. 36 plus 20. 36 plus 14 is 50. 50 divided by 3. This will cancel this 25 times. So 77 into 25 divided by 3. Let me check.
So 641.6 bar.
77 into 25. This should give you 641.67 centimeter cube. What about the area? The total surface area is equal to see, one common mistake which people do is they write the total surface area of the cylinder plus the total surface area of the 2 hemispheres. No, you should not do that, because this portion and this portion is not exposed. So what should you write? You should write the curved surface area
of the cylinder and of circle.
sphere. Oh, sorry, of 2 hemispheres.
Sir, I
So
have a
that-
doubt, sir. Can we, instead of when we are writing the statement, TSA equals to CSA of cylinder plus 2 CSA of hemisphere, instead, can we just write CSA of cylinder plus TSA of circle? Because 2 hemispheres act like a circle, no, sir.
It's not circle, it's sphere.
Yeah, sorry, sir. Sphere.
That's what I wrote. So, but see, but it's better you should tell the examiner why you're writing the sphere. You should say it is a sum of 2 hemispheres. Okay, please give that clarity. See, I can understand. Okay,
sir.
I can understand your logic because I know you. But the person who's correcting might not know you, right? So it's better you communicate it in detail. Okay. So though that is right, I would not suggest it. Write it as sum of 2 hemispheres. See, for the sum of 2 hemispheres, you can write it as 4 pi r square, but your statement should have that hemisphere. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into r is how much? Into r is 7 by 2 plus height is going to be 12. 7 and 7, 2 and 2 get cancelled. 22 into 7 plus 24 is 31 divided by 2. So this will cancel this 11 times. So 11 into 31 is going to give you how much? One minute.
341.
1 minute. 1 minute. The total height of the solid is 19. Correct? So height of the cylinder is 12 only, no? 12. Because the answer given here is 418. Tanishka, are you getting 418? Because I'm seeing the last 2 digits are 1. I don't think we'll get 8.
Sir, I didn't even do it. I didn't read the question properly, sir. I only did the volume.
Okay. What about Purna, you? Advait? Do you remember what is the answer you got?
No, sir.
Okay. Right out. Let me check if there are any steps that are, because the answer given is 418. This is the mistake I did. Can there is a mistake in this step, correct it? There is a mistake. I'm giving you a chance.
2 hours
Sir,
should come.
5,
Bar.
sir.
2 hours. Because this is 4. Correct? Huh? So the answer
Yes,
given
sir.
is right. Yes. So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is going to be 7 divided by 2 into 2 into r is 7 by 2 plus h is 12. This and this will get cancelled. 7 and 7 are lost. 2 and this is gone. So 22 into 19. Yes, now you will get 418 centimeters square. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So 36th row. So what is the answer?
So the first one is 0.2.
Okay, let me read the question. A gumball machine contains 40 blue, 20 red, 15 orange, and 25. So totally how many balls are there? 40 plus 20. 60, 60, 60 plus 40, 100, correct? So what is the probability of person to get red? Red is 20 by 100. 20 by 100 is 0.2, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the probability that a person gets no orange ball? So no orange.
0.85.
0.85.
Correct. What is the probability that a person gets a or an orange, blue, or purple gumball?
4 by 5.
Yes,
So how did you get orange, red, or blue? So you should get that means. What is the answer? It is 80 by 100.
Yeah, so 80 by 100 and 4 by 5.
So you'll get 4 by 5. Yes. In the gumball machine, if X pink gumballs are added and the machine dispenser randomly selects one gumball, what is the probability that it will
X
be a
divided
pink
by
ball?
100 plus X.
So X
X by
divided by.
100.
So that's the answer. If 50 more pink balls are put in a gumball machine, then the probability that the randomly drawn ball is not pink. If 50 more pink
by
balls
3.
are 50 more are added means the number of balls are 150. So out of 150, it's not pink means 100 out of
100
100.
by 150.
So it should be 2 by 3. Correct.
Yes, sir.
People of the village want to construct a road nearest to the circular village. Rampur, the road through the village. Okay, all these things are okay. This is 25, this is 20, and how much is this going to be? We need to find. Suppose the road starts from point O, which is outside the circular village, and touches the boundary of the circular village at point A, such that OA is equal to 20 centimeter, and also the straight distance of the point O from the center of the village is 25 centimeter. Find the shortest distance of the road from the center of the village. Answer. So root of 625 minus 400, root 225, it is going to be 15. So which method should be applied to find the shortest distance?
Both A and B.
Yes, both A and B. If a point is inside the circle, how many tangents can be drawn?
0.
0.
Cannot draw. This is what you asked me yesterday, right?
Yes, sir.
If two circles are external and they do not touch each other, then the number of common tangents that you can draw are?
1.
Is it
So
2, sir?
it is 4. 1,
4, sir. Oh.
2, 3, 4.
Oh, okay, sir.
You can draw 4. Next time correct it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if we draw two tangents at the, see, this is slightly a higher order thinking skill. Okay.
Always parallel, right, sir?
Yeah, both. It's not parallel. They will be parallel as long only if the circles are of equal radii. Need not be. No? See, Parma, Tanishka, I'm drawing it again. Observe it clearly. Okay. This is a circle. This is a circle. Okay. This is a tangent. This is another tangent. This is a tangent. And this is another tangent. Purida. So, the red color mark, this tangent and this tangent will be parallel to each other only if the circles are of equal radius.
So the fifth one, they're asking end of the diameter only, no, sir?
Oh, the fifth one, solriya? Oh, no. I thought you asked in this question whether this and this are parallel. I thought. Okay.
No, I didn't ask that.
Okay. Then it's fine. So if we draw two tangents at the end of a diameter, then the two tangents are always parallel to each other. That is right. Fifth, 38th. So what is the answer?
I got C, sir.
For first one, huh?
Yes, sir.
C. Correct. Is there anyone having doubt?
Sir, I made a mistake in this one, sir.
You made a mistake, but
Yes, sir. I wrote,
no. My question is, are you clear now? What is your mistake?
sir,
And are you
I don't
considering-
understand why it's 19 to.
Okay, that is what I asked. So you need an explanation, right? Yeah, that's what I'm asking. So, educational vocational training helpful making the student self-reliant and help and serve the society. Keeping this in view, a teacher made the following table, giving the frequency distribution of the student undergoing vocational training from the training institute. Age is given in this. Okay. One thing is, you will be able to apply that formula. Advait, can you tell me what is something different in this problem? Look at the data.
So the
look at way
data is
that-
not continuous.
It is not continuous. So to make it continuous, what are you supposed to do?
Sir, yes, I don't know that answer.
So 19 ko 20 ko, what is the difference? One, take the average of it. It is 0.5. So one side you should increase 0.5, other side you should decrease 0.5.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Frida. So if you write it like that, then you will get this 19.5 to 24. Will you try that and get back?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay. No, not now. So after the class is over, you try it. I want you to try it and get back. So that you're able to solve it on your own. Since I gave
So
you
should
the
we
idea.
reduce it for 15 also?
It's better you reduce it because then that is when the class size will be equal, right?
Yes.
Right. So it should be 14.5 to 19.5. Like this, it keeps on going. Okay. So median in amount is
24.06.
correct. So remaining things are same only. No, you know the formula, you know everything. So you know the empirical relation also. So what is empirical relation? Mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mode. 2 times mean. If mode is equal to 80, mean is equal to 110. Just applying this formula, what will you get? You will get 100. Okay. Then last part is they're asking what is mode. Mode is basically
Maximum
is-
frequency value.
So I hope these three would be clear. Right, you guys would have answered this. Only thing
Yes,
is
sir.
these two have troubled you because you didn't know how to make it a continuous data. So
Yes,
Advait,
sir.
I'm leaving that part to you. You try it out. If you still don't get the answer, then reach out to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all about this paper, right? So shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute. Full portion test one. Eat. చెప్పండి వెళ్తారా One minute, I'm just importing the paper. got the paper. So I hope you're able to see the paper. So what is the answer for the first one? HCF of 135 and 225. You would have got your answer sheet also by now. So what is the answer for this? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer, ma? 135 and 225. What is the answer? Check your answer sheet and tell me. No, you would have written. Check into the prime factorization. So I'm able to see first one can be written as 45 into 3. Second one can be written as 45 into 5. So HCF is going to be 45. So polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. The graph of a linear equation meets the x-axis at which point? So at x-axis, what should you substitute the value of y as? Put y is equal to 0. So x will be how much? 5. So answer will be 5, 0.
Yes, sir.
The two numbers whose sum is 27. So alpha plus beta is 27 and product of the roots is 182. So by looking at the options, you can say
Option D.
D, because see, A is also giving you 27, D is also, so this and this are failing. They're not giving you 27, right? But the product should give you the last digit to be 2. So 5 into 2, if you multiply it, it give you 10. So there's not the option, there's the answer. So the first term of an AP is P. So A1 is P and common difference is Q. Find the 10th term. So A10 is equal to A plus 9Q. So P plus 9Q will be the answer. This is the answer. So it is given the triangle ABC is similar to triangle BFE. Angle A is 30, angle C is 40, AB is equal to 5. AC
Option
is
D.
8, BF is either B or D. Ball.
Yes, sir. B for ball.
Okay. That is right. So the coordinates of the point P dividing the line segment in the ratio 2:1. So if I take this as 1,3, this as 4, 2:1. So 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1 by 3 is 3, 18 plus 3 by 3 is 7, 3,7. Is there an option? No option. Sorry, 12 plus 3, 15 by 3 is 5, 3,5. Option
Yes, sir.
B
Option
should be
B.
there. Yes, sine square A plus sine square A into
Option
1
A,
plus
tan square.
so sine square A into 1 plus tan square A. That will give you sine square A into 1 plus tan square A is secant square A. So that will be sine square A divided by cos square A, which will give me tan square A. So the length of the shadow of a 20-meter tall pole on the ground when the sun's elevation is 45 degrees.
20
So
meters.
this problem, you need not even solve. So wherever you see this angle 45, no, height will be equal to the base 20. You know this logic? Did you understand what I told?
Isosceles triangle, no, sir.
That is the reason. Because it forms a right-angled isosceles triangle. So if this height is 20, this will also be 20 if this is 45. Because tan 45 is 1, that is one logic. Or you can say it is a right-angled isosceles triangle also. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. So here you will say from an external point, the tangents drawn to the circle will be of equal length. So AQ is 4 centimeter, QR is 7 centimeter, DS is 3 centimeters, and the value of X is
6.
So this will be 3. So this will be X minus 3. This will be 4. This will be 3. So X minus 3 is equal to 3. X will be 6. So that is the logic. See, I'm assuming if you're not clear, you'll ask me. Okay. The radii of the two concentric circles are 19 and 16 centimeter. Area of the ring enclosed between them is pi into capital R square minus small r square. So pi into capital R square is 19 square minus small r square is 16 square. So pi into 19 minus 16 into 19 plus 16. 22 by 7 into 19 minus 16 is 3 and 19 plus 16 is 35. So this goes 5 times. So 110 into 3, that is going to give me 330. That will give me 330 square centimeter. All right. Perfect. So 12th one. A cube is whose volume is 1 by 8 cubic centimeter is placed on top of a cube whose volume is 1 centimeter cube. The two cubes are then placed on top of a third cube whose volume is 8 centimeter cube. Then the height of the stacked cubes is. So what is the side of the first cube? A1 is half. A2 is 1. A3 is 2. Am I right? Did you understand why is it so? Guys, am I clear? Did you understand why is it so? Can I have some response, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what would be the sum of all these values? 3 plus half, 3.5. So the wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. The median of the data is. So what is the answer? So since you have even number of data, first thing is arrange them in the ascending order. 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then you have 3, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I missing something? There are 3, 3, sir. 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So what is going to be the median? Median will be half of n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. So half into n by 2th term is 5th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 3 plus 3 by 2. Answer will be 3. That's the median. 13th, A is the answer. 1 minute. If 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, the probability of getting at least 2 heads. So first tell me what is the sample space? Head, head, head. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 heads, 4 tails, 2 heads, two tails, two heads, two tails, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. What is the probability of getting at least two heads? So at least means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 8, it is half. Answer is option A. Correct. If 4 numbers are APR such that their sum is 50, their sum is 50, and the greatest number is 4 times the least, then the numbers are. So A plus D, A plus 2D, and A plus 3D. Their sum is 50. So 4A plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 60 is 50. So 2A plus 3D is equal to 25. And the greatest number, A plus 3D, is equal to 4 times the least, which implies 3D is equal to 3A. So A is equal to D. So A is equal to D. If you substitute it here, you will get 5A is equal to 25 and A will be 5. So first digit is 5 and the common difference is also 5. 16th, the given figure PS is parallel to QR and PQ is parallel to SR. So AT and AQ are 6 centimeter, AS is 3 centimeter, TS is 4 centimeter. Then so how to solve this? Yes, can I have some response, please? So how will you solve the 16th one? So if I take this angle to be theta, this
Sir,
will
I
also be theta.
proved the similarity and then I used
That is right. Which two triangles are similar? That is what you need to tell.
sir, I think we can use anything now, sir. I used the top one and this one as common, sir.
Which one is common? Use TQ
Sir,
as common.
triangle TAS and triangle TQR I took, sir. And then by
There.
seeing the proportionality, I found QR. And then I found out that QR equals to PS. And we
So this will
already
be
have
by
PS value.
this will be X plus 3. Is this what you did? Is this what you did? See, this is why, this is also why, because they told they both are parallel. It's a parallelogram. Similarly, this length is X plus 3. This will also be X plus 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this angle and this angle will be the same. So they are similar according to the AA criteria.
Yes,
then you
sir.
can say X plus 3 by 3 is equal to, right? X plus 3 by 3 is equal to Y plus 4 by 4 is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
1 kadiyadu. Half. Half or 2 by 1. Sorry, 2 by 1. You know, this total length is 12 and half of it is 6. So X plus 3 is 6. Now X is equal to 3. Y plus 4 is 8 means Y is equal to 4. Is there an option? X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to 4. There is the option.
Sir, what I did was I just, after proving TAS and TQ are similarity, TA equals to 6, TQ equals to 12, 6 by 12 equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 equals to 4 by Y,
You should be 4 by 4 plus 5. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 4 by 4 plus y, and then I found y.
See, you are exactly telling me the reverse of it. 4 by 4 plus y is equal to 1 by 2. I wrote y plus 4 plus y by 4 is equal to 2 by 1. Both are same, no?
Yes,
You are
sir.
exactly telling me the reverse. So what you did is right only. Done. You would have got this answer only. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Okay. Next is root of 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta into secant square theta is 1 by cos square theta. So sin square theta by cos square theta is root of is tan square theta. Root of tan square theta is tan theta. So the circumference of a circle 2 pi r exceeds its diameter by 120. So 2r into pi minus 1 is equal to 120. This goes 60 times. So r is equal to 60 divided by pi minus 1. So it will be 60 divided by pi is 22 by 7 minus 1. So 60 divided by 15 by 7, this goes 4. Answer will be 28. Right? It is 28 centimeter. Okay. If P and PB are tangents of the circle with center O such that angle APB is 40 degree, then OAB is equal to 20. This I already proved it in the other picture.
Yes, sir.
The product of two successive integral multiples of 5 is 1050. The numbers are
30 and 35.
find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. So let the integers be x comma x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 365. So x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 365. So 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. So x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Right. What are the factors for
13 and
182?
14.
How much is it?
13 and 14, sir.
13 and 14 is working.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you should get x plus 14, sorry, x minus 14 into x plus 13 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 14.
No, sir.
or
X plus 14 and x minus 13.
Oh, plus 12. Okay, x plus 14, x minus 13. So x will be minus 14 and plus 13. So find consecutive positive integers. So positive integers should be 13, 14. So 169 plus 196 is giving you, correct, 365. So solve ax plus by is equal to a minus b and bx minus ay is equal to a plus b. So you can use elimination method.
Yeah, sir. I did elimination method.
When you use the elimination method, what will you get? AB plus b square is equal to AB minus b square. AB into x. So AB into x minus a square y is equal to a square plus AB. Add them. Sorry, subtract them. This is gone. So a square plus b square into y is equal to AB and AB are gone. Negative of a square plus b square. Cancel this and this. Y will be minus 1. So when y is minus 1, substitute it back here. Ax minus b is equal to a minus b. Minus b and minus y will get cancelled. X will be 1. So the solution is 1, minus 1. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
A game consists of tossing 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Honey wins if all the tosses give the same result, that is 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Honey will lose the game. So how to solve this? So when you toss this 1 rupee coin thrice, what is going to be the outcome?
So total outcomes will be 8.
What are the outcomes? The outcomes, when I told you, 8 means you write it like this: head, 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 tail, 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 head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Correct? Huh? Honey wins if all the tosses give the same result. So he should either get head, 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 or he should get tail, tail, tail. Or if he gets, calculate the probability that Honey will lose the game. So how many are there? 6 out of 8. So 3 by 4. There is 75% chance that he will lose. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? The HCF of 306 and 1314 is 18. Then the LCM is. What is the condition you would use? HCF into LCM is equal to 'A' into 'B. So HCF is 18 into LCM is equal to A into B is 306 into 1314. Basic multiplication only. So what will be the answer is? You will have the answer sheet with you, no? Don't you?
Yes, sir. 22338.
That's what I meant. 22338. That's the answer. This is a good problem actually. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3s square minus 6s plus 4, then find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta. So for this one, can I write this as alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta minus 2 into alpha plus beta by alpha beta plus 3 times alpha beta? So alpha square plus beta square, can I write it as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta the whole divided by alpha beta minus 2 into alpha plus beta by alpha beta plus 3 times alpha beta? Tell me what is alpha plus beta the whole square? So 4 minus 2 into alpha beta is 4 by 3 divided by alpha beta is 4 by 3 minus 2 into alpha plus beta is 2 divided by alpha beta is 4 by 3 plus 3 into alpha beta is 4 by 3. Cancel these two. So 2 into 2 and 4 will get cancelled. So 12 minus 8 is 4 divided by 4 by 3. So this should give you a 3. So 3 minus 3 plus 4. Cancel it. Answer will be 4.
So for me, while correcting it, they have wrote it as 8, sir.
So 1 minute, let me check. 8 is answer. Did I miss something? Alpha plus beta the whole square is 4. Minus 2 into alpha beta is 4 by 3. So that is 8 by 3. 4 3s is 12. 12 minus 8 by 3 is 12 minus 8 by 3. The whole divided by alpha beta is 4 by 3. So this and this will get cancelled. Minus 2 into 2 divided by. Did you get 4?
No, sir. I got 2. So they have wrote it as 8. And the subtraction and all, they've changed it into addition, and then wrote 8.
Or not? Let me check it again. Plus 3 times alpha beta is 4 by 3. It gets cancelled. 3 and 3 are gone. So this step it is clear, no? Alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. So alpha plus beta the whole square is 4. Correct? You also check along with me. So 4 minus 2 into alpha beta is 4 by 3. I'll change it. So 4. So 12 minus 8 by 3 is 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. This and this will get cancelled. Minus 2 into alpha plus beta is 2 divided by alpha beta is 4 by 3. So 2 into 2 is 4. This will get cancelled. So 3 will become so plus 4. 4 should be the answer. So
So
it is
shouldn't it be 1
4.
minus 3 plus 4?
Yengamma?
The final step.
Correct. That was a mistake. So this will give you 1 minus 3 plus 4. So 5, then it should be 2, no? You got 2, huh?
Yeah, I got 2, but they reduced 1 mark.
Okay. 2 is the right answer, actually. So you should get 1 more mark then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can add 1 to that.
Fine, sir.
Yeah. So a train travels 180 kilometers at uniform speed. The speed had been 9 kilometers per hour more. It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Calculate the speed of the train. So what will you use? Time is equal to distance by speed. So if I take initial time to be t is equal to distance is 180 only. If they take the speed to be v, now t minus 1 will be equal to the same 180 divided by v plus 9. Am I right? So since you need the speed, take the value of t and substitute it here. 180 by v minus 1 is equal to 180 by v plus 9. So 180 minus v divided by v is equal to 180 divided by v plus 9. So cross multiply. 180v plus 180 into 9 minus v square minus 9v is equal to 180v. So cancel this and this. So you'll have v square plus 9v minus 180 into 9. So how much? What are the factors?
Sir, I couldn't find the factors. I got v square plus
What is
9.
what is 180 into 9?
1620.
So for 1620, the factors, so you should get the sum as 9, no? So they are 45 and 36. Forty-five and 36 is working.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So v square plus 45v minus 36v minus 1620 is equal to 0. So v into v plus 45 minus 36 into v plus 45 is equal to 0. So v will be 36. This will be in terms of kilometer per hour. That is the speed. If you don't get it, no, at least use the formula and then proceed. The quadratic formula.
Okay, sir. Because there was no time, so I just left the equation like that.
Okay. So 27, find the mean of the following frequency distribution.
I got it 50, sir.
50 is correct. So what is the formula that you used?
I
you
used
need
to
to
step
find-
deviation.
You need to find the value of xi. So xi is how much? 10,
10, 30, 50, 79.
30.
50, 79.
So 170 plus. So 170 plus 28 into 30 is how much? 840. 28 threes is how much? 840 plus 32 into 50 is how much? So 13 to 50 is 1500, 1500 plus 100, 1600.
Yes, sir.
So 24 sevens is how much? 28 to 14,
1680.
1680 plus 19 nines is how much? So 19 to 100 is 1900, 1710 something. 1710 divided by, what is the sum of all these values? So 28 plus 32 is 60. 60 plus 24 is 84. 84 plus 19 is, so what is 84 plus 19? So 103 plus 17 is going to be 120. So what is going to be the value in the numerator? 170 plus, so adding all these values, what will you get? 170 plus 840 will give you 1010 plus 1600 plus 1680 will give you 3280 plus 1710. So 1010 plus 3280 plus 1710 will give you 6000 divided by 120. Is this what you told? 50? Correct.
I got 50, sir, but I used step deviation method.
Okay. Where did they mention step deviation?
No, sir.
So you thought that it would be simpler and proceeded?
Yes, I thought it would be easy to proceed, sir.
Yeah, that's right, because the numbers will become small. It's up to you. You can
Yes,
do it. So 28, what is the answer? The given figure ABC right angle triangle right angled at A. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. AB is 6 centimeter. AC is 8 centimeter. So if this is 6 and 8, this should be 10 because 6, 8 and 10 are Pythagorean triplets. The circle with the center O has been inscribed inside the circle, inside the triangle. Calculate the value of R and the radius of the inscribed circle. So how to solve this?
First, I found the area of the whole triangle.
Okay, can we try something like this? See, since this distance is R, this will be R and this will be R. Then this will be 6 minus R. This will be 8 minus R. Yeah, that's right. You have to go with the area of the triangle. Okay. So what is going to be the area of the triangle AOB?
AOB will be 3R.
So area of triangle AOB will be half into base into height, 3R, correct?
And then area of COB will be 5R.
Correct. And other will be 4R.
4R, yes, sir. And the total will be 24.
So the sum of everything should be equal to half into 8 into 6.
8 into 6, 24.
Correct. So 12R will be 24, R will be 2 centimeter. Is that what you got?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Let me check. You got marks, no? No marks were reduced.
Yeah, so no marks are reduced.
What about the 29th? A tent is in the shape of a right circular cylinder up to a height of 3 meters and conical above it. The total height of the tent is 13.5 meters above the ground. So there is a right circular cylinder which is of 3 meters and conical above it. The total height of the tent is going to be 13.5 meters above the ground. Calculate the cost of painting the inner side of the tent at a rate of ₹2 per meter square. And the radius of the base is 14 centimeters. 1 minute. Up to a height. Oh, this height is 3.
Yeah, sir.
So radius of the 14 meter. So this is 10.5. Okay. So what is going to be the total area, guys?
I didn't get it right, sir.
Area that needs to be painted. Tell me the formula. The
It
curved
should be
surface area of the
cylinder and cone.
cone, pi RL. So if I take pi r outside, it should be 2h plus L. Correct?
Yes, sir.
22 by 7 into 14 into 2 times height of home. So 2 into 3 plus L would have value another. L is root of 10.5 the whole square minus 14 square. Negative or the?
Plus 14 square, no, sir.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. I took that as hypotenuse. Sorry. It is plus 14 square. So this will go 2 times. So this will be 44 into 6 plus 20. Either one, how can you write it is? See, these kind of things come, right? 10.5 is a multiple of 7. So what you can do is 21 by 2 the whole square plus 14 square. So this will be root of, listen to this. 21, can I write it as 7 into 3 the whole square? So I'll have 7 square into 3 square by 2 square plus 7 square into 2 square. So in the common 7, 7 square is common. It will come out as 7. So 7 into root of 9 by 4 plus 4. Purida.
Yes, sir.
So 7 into square root of 25 divided by 4. So how much will be that? 7 into 5 divided by 2. Can I write it like that? So 7 into 5 by 2 is 35 by 2. If this is the reason why you couldn't proceed, I hope these steps are helping you. Guys, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why I couldn't proceed.
Was that the problem? Okay.
Yeah,
Next time I'm expecting you to do it. So 44 into 6 plus 17.5. I'll multiply that will give you the answer as 1034 meters square. Tanishka, I hope I remember telling you that convert everything to decimals. Whenever it comes to calculation in surface areas and volumes, convert everything to decimals. Convert everything to fractions and then proceed.
Okay, sir.
Right? Sorry. So 29th is done, right? 30th Paklama. The pilot of an aircraft flying horizontally at a speed of 1200 km per hour observes that the angle of depression at a point on the ground changes from 30 to 45 degrees in 15 seconds. Find the height of the aircraft. So if this is A, this is B. If this angle of depression is observed to be 30 degrees, this angle of depression has changed to 45. So this thing is 45 degrees. This is going to be 30 degrees, right? And the height BH. He's traveling at a speed of 1200 km per hour in 15 seconds. So convert it to seconds. So 1200, how will you convert it to seconds? 5 by 18. Correct?
So they have given in kilometer, right? So we can use 1 by 4.
Which one will you use 1 by? You want to
Sorry,
convert?
sir. No.
You want to report the answer in terms of kilometer? Okay, that is the case. You can do it. So 1200 km per hour into. If you multiply the time, that will give you the distance it has traveled. 15 seconds is how much? 1/4 of a minute. Correct? So
yes,
can
so
I
that's
write
why I went wrong.
15 divided by, you should write it as 3600. If you write it as 60, you're wrong. Purida,
Yes, sir.
is this where you went wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it has traveled a distance of 5 kilometers. So if I drop a perpendicular from here, this is 5 kilometers, correct? If this is H, I told you wherever 45 is there, this will also be H.
Yes, sir.
How do I solve this problem?
Directly we can use it in the other triangle, sir.
How will you use? Wait. There is a mistake. This is H. This is H.
The other one is only 5.
This is H. H divided by H plus pi should be equal to tan 30. That is 1 by root 3. Root 3H will be equal to H plus 5. Root 3 minus 1 into H is 5. H will be 5 by root 3 minus 1. And rationalize it, you will get 5 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So these many kilometers will be the answer. Adana ketirukanga height. Yes. I hope you're clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tan theta is 1 by root 7. Take a triangle. Theta 1 root 7. Then how much will this be? Root of 1 plus 7. So root 8 to root 2 no. So cosecant square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Cosecant square theta is 8 minus secant square theta is 8 by 7. The whole divided by 8 plus 8 by 7. So how much will it be? 8 cancel it. 6 by 7 divided by, it will be 15. 8 by 7. Cancel this and this. 6 by 8 is what you will get. 3 by 4. Oh, that's what they asked. Yeah. Did you understand what I did?
So can you explain it again?
Yeah. See, I took the 8 outside. 8 into 1 minus 1 by 7 divided by 8 into 1 plus 1 by 7. This 8 and 8 are gone. Because I didn't want that 8 to be a headache for me. So 1 minus 1 by 7 was 6 by 7 divided by 1 plus 1 by 7 was 8 by 7. So this and this got cancelled. So you get 3 by 7.
Okay. Sir.
So I hope you understood why this 2 root 2 has come. No, that is basic Pythagoras theorem. So root of 1 square plus 7 root 7 square. From the top of a hill, the angle of depression of 2 consecutive kilometer stones due east are found to be 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the hill. From the top of a hill, the angles of depressions of 2 consecutive kilometer stone. Here there is a stone and here there is a stone, and the distance between them is going to be 1 kilometer. And their due east are found to be 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. So this is 45. This is 30. Say this is 45. This will be 45. This will be 30. Find the height of the hill. Either h na idu h. So same logic. H divided by h plus 1 will be equal to tan 30. Correct, Ada? H divided by.
So how did you know the distance between them is 1 kilometer, sir?
The 2 consecutive kilometer stones, ma. Highway la pompod papala. If this is 14 kilometer stone, next they will show 13 kilometer stone. Is my stones are highway la. What is the distance between 2 consecutive? That's 1 kilometer then.
Oh, I didn't know this. So I didn't know how to proceed.
But now you got an idea. Next time you can do it. Yes, that is more important. Yes. So h divided by h plus 1 is equal to 1 by root 3. So root 3h is equal to h plus 1. So root 3 minus 1 into h is equal to 1. Up h another 1 by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 plus 1 by 2. These many kilometers will be the height of the whatever it is, Tavara hill or whatever it is. I hope it is clear.
Yeah, sir. I got the exact answer, but there was an x in before. I mean, x multiplied to that.
Okay.
Which is the distance.
Yes. So that is 32nd. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to p, prove that cos theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. How do I do this? Since this expression is telling me I need a p square, blindly one thing I can do is square. Right. So I'll take the RHS. P square. So cosecant theta plus cot theta, the whole square minus 1, the whole divided by cosecant theta plus cot theta the whole square plus 1. Right? Upper, if I square it, what will I get? Cosecant square theta plus cot square theta minus 1. I'm missing something. Plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1. The whole divided by cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta plus 1. So what is cosecant square theta minus 1?
Cot square theta.
Instead of me having cosecant and cot, I need to convert everything into one term, either in terms of cosecant or cot. So what I can do is cosecant square theta, I'll write it as 1 plus cot square theta. You already have a cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1 divided by denominator also I can do the same. This and this will get cancelled. So I'm not touching the denominator as of now. I'll get 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta. So what can I take out common? I can take out 2 cot theta outside. I'll get cot theta plus cosecant theta. Correct, Ada? Now what I can do is 1 plus cot square theta, we'll write it as cosecant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta, plus you have another cosecant square theta. So it will become 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta. So in the denominator, I'll have, okay, I'll directly write, come to this step. 2 into, what can I take out common? Cosecant theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. This and this will get cancelled. 2 and 2 are gone. What is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. This and this will get cancelled. I'll get cos theta. Okay, this is a very good problem. Please, I'm just giving you time to copy it. If there is any step that is not clear, please ask. It's a very, very, very good problem. Let me know you're done copying it. Clear, Ada?
So can you scroll a bit?
Sure. But did you understand the logic, Kanishka?
Yeah, sir, I
Did you-
understood, sir.
Understood, no? Yeah. So whenever you have these kind of problems, where you have this p square minus 1 by p square minus 1, and you're expected to get a single trigonometric value like cos theta, sin theta, or something, right? So in these kind of problems, what will happen is numerator and denominator will have some common factor, which will get cancelled. That is the logic I used actually. So here, what was the common factor I was targeting for? It was cot theta plus cosecant theta. That is the logic. So if you're able to crack it, you'll be able to solve the problem faster. Is the point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So in the given figure, PQR is a right angle triangle at Q, and QS is perpendicular to PR. PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. PS is 4 centimeter. Find QS, RS, and QR. So can you find this distance and tell me?
Root 20.
So root 20, yeah. Root of 36 minus 16. Yes, it is root 20. So this will be root 20. Now, here is where the tricky part in this question is. You don't know the other sides. Right? Then what are you supposed to do? You need to take the similarities into consideration. Right? You need to take the similarities into consideration and find out the other values. So root 20, how can you write it as? 2 root 5. Advait and Purna, are you there? Can I
Yes,
get a
sir.
response from both of you?
Yes, sir.
Purna? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So tell me how to proceed now. See, this is 90. Since I need to prove the similarity, one angle is 90. Okay. Then what else can I do?
Sir, QS square plus PS square equals to PQ square, Pythagoras theorem.
Come again. Q.
QS square
Okay.
plus PS square.
That we already did, Noda.
Sir, and then we got QS equal to root 20, and I simplified it to 2 root 5. And then after that, QR square equals
That is
to,
over. That is over. That is root 5.
yes, sir. After
what I'm
that, we have
asking.
to
So,
use that
the
value
challenge
for.
here is QR.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah, what should you use? That's my question.
Sir, after that, we just replace the values, sir. We replace it
That's
in
the part, 'cause I
QR
want
square.
everybody.
QR square equals to 2 root 5 the whole square plus SR square.
Okay.
Then we get
Advait,
20 plus 25. QR square equals to
Wait.
20 plus 25.
One minute. My question is, QR square is equal to, you're saying QS square, you want to replace it with root 20. That's what you will get 20. So root 20 square plus, what is the value of SR? What is the value of SR? You told 25, right?
Sir, we have to replace. Sir, we have to do two equations by using Pythagoras theorem, sir. Sir,
Okay.
one we have to take totally, sir. And then
Okay.
we have to take each one individually, and then we have to do it simultaneously to get a equation.
You tell me, you told this is 20, right? This obviously 20 because QS is root 20. So root 20 square is 20. SR is a value. SR is what I need to find. What equation are you telling you need to write simultaneously? That's what I'm not able to get from what you're saying.
Sir, SR is also equal to 4 plus. No, sir, we can also use SR in the equation PQ the whole square plus QR the whole square.
Okay, you want to write PQ the whole square plus I'll go
QR
with
the
your
whole square.
method. But PQ. Okay,
PQ
PQ the whole square. QR the whole square.
We get PS plus SR the whole square.
PS plus SR the whole square. But aren't we complicating it slightly?
Yes, sir.
Aren't we?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So my question is, how will you find the trickiest part in this question is you have multiple unknowns. This root 20 was simple task. We did it fast, right? So whenever you get stuck, right, whenever you have right angle triangles, always go, you can think in terms of trigonometry also. If I take this to be theta, then this will be 90 minus theta. Then how much will this angle be? This will be theta. This will be 90 minus theta. Now start applying right angle. Now start applying sine theta. No. So from triangle, PSQ, from triangle PSQ, what is sine theta? See, in the solution given, they have done it using similarities, but I'm just teaching you an alternate way so that this will actually save a lot of time. So what is sine theta? Sine theta is actually QS divided by PQ. Guys, am I clear with this? This is from
Yes,
which
sir.
triangle? Triangle PSQ. Similarly, if I take the triangle QSR, what is sine theta from that? SR. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll not take sine theta, I'll take tan theta. If I take tan theta here, I'll tell you why I'm taking tan theta. Because I know the vertical and the horizontal. So tan theta is how much?
QS by PS.
Correct. QS by PS. So QS is 2 root 5, PS is 4. Adhe mari, what about tan theta from the bigger triangle, that is QSR?
SR by
SR. SR by SQ. SR is what we need to find. So can I say this tan theta and this tan theta are same? So I'll plug in this value here, 2 root 5 by 4. SR vandu we need to find out. What is the value of SQ? SQ is 2 root 5.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 2 root 5 by 4.
Yes, sir. So
Appa,
SR equal to 20 by 4. SR equal to 5.
SR will be 20 by 4. Appa evlo varum? 5 vandruma. So this length is 5 centimeter. Got it? So now you know
Yes,
two
sir.
sides of a right angle triangle. Obviously, you can find the third side.
I didn't even think about it that way, sir.
You will not get this idea. See, generally, in schools, they will teach you in terms of similarities of triangles. But I've taught this to people who are there in the past. Always the idea is whenever you have a right angle triangle, always you can think in terms of trigonometry also. But now I hope you got this idea, right?
Yes, sir.
We'll be able to solve it next time. Yeah, Purna, you
Definitely,
also?
sir.
Yeah. Purna, you? Are you clear with what I explained?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Tanishka, I hope you already know this idea, but I'm not sure if you applied it. I've taught this many times.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So did you apply this logic or you did something else?
I did something else, but I couldn't get the answers.
You
I
didn't get that.
similarity, but I couldn't get the answer.
You can, no, so that's why I'm saying always instead of similarity, you can always use trigonometry. That save your time. Okay.
Yes.
So 35th. An iron pillar has some part in the form of right circular cylinder and remaining in the form of a right circular cone. The radius of the base of each of the cone and the cylinder is 8 centimeters. The cylindrical part is 240 centimeter high and the conical part is 36 centimeter high. Find the weight of the pillar if 1 cubic centimeter of iron weighs 7.8 grams. So you have so the cylindrical part is 240 centimeter high and the conical part is 36 centimeter high. You find the weight of the pillar. So completely it is made up of iron. Radius of the base is 8. So correct if there is any mistake in the diagram that I have drawn. Is it right? So this is the data I could see. Right? Is everyone in acceptance with it? Now listen,
Yes.
they're asking,
Yes.
though they are using the word weight, no, let's not literally go with the concept of physics. Okay, weight means in mathematical angle, they're asking the mass. Okay. So actually, the density of iron is given. What is the density given? 7.8 gram per cc. That's what they told. 1 cubic centimeter weighs 7.8 grams. So if you're able to find the volume of the whole structure in terms of centimeter cube and multiply with this density, that will give you the mass.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. So what is going to be the volume of the structure? So what is going to be the volume of this
The
structure?
volume of the cone plus the volume of the cylinder.
Yes, that is pi r square h plus 1 by 3 into pi r square into h dash.
We
I
can
wrote it
take
as
pi r square out common.
as pi r square. You can take it out common. Mostly, see this is an unfortunate thing. They are not giving us a multiple of 7. That's fine. So into h plus h dash divided by 3. Whenever you're taking something common, be careful. You would have observed I made 2 mistakes already today. Right. So please be careful and always cross check even before you proceed to the next step. Okay. 22 by 7 into. So it is 22 by 7 into 8 square. Okay. I generally don't multiply it. I'll write it as 8 into 8 only. Last only I'll see. I'll cancel everything. So 240 is the height of the cylinder plus h dash by 3 is 36 by 3 is 12.
Yes, sir.
So 240 plus this is 252. Is it getting cancelled with 7? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It'll get cancelled 36.
It's going up.
Yes, sir. 36
Okay.
times.
So you get an absolute value. So the value
22
that I'm
into
able to see in the
64
answer-
into 36. Sir, 5068.
Correct. Into 36 into
7.8.
it is in terms of centimeter cube. Now I want
Yes,
the
sir.
weight. So weight will be
7.8, sir.
into 7.8. Okay, 7.8. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking again, sir.
In 5 graph. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Converted to 1. Because that way I'm able to see your voice is breaking. Is my voice breaking?
Yeah, so your voice was breaking. Yes.
Oh, now it is. Yes, everybody's voice is breaking now. Okay, is it better now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What so this is a just multiply with 1000, you will get 395.3664 kilogram. Both are right. Okay. Next, a road roller, sometimes called as a roller compactor or just roller, is a compactor. Okay, all the RCB Vision Private Limited started 10 years. Increase unit number roll here and 0 roller 9th year. So of the above information, answer the following question. What is the company's production in the first
250.
year? Tell me that. So this problem is based on arithmetic progression because the common difference is there. 250 is the right answer. What is the company's production in the 8th year?
1020.
Correct. What is the company's total production in the first 6 years? What is the total production? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So what is the value coming to? Can check your answer sheet and tell me.
I didn't do
Only
third
if you have
science.
student to answer is 3150. Okay. So what is the increase in company's production every year? What is the common difference?
110. 110.
Correct. In which year the company's production was 1350 rollers?
11th.
Correct. So it should definitely be greater than the 9th year. So you need not even solve, correct? Logically speaking, 9th year they gave it as 1130. So obviously next year they would have increased it. So since 1350 is greater than 1130, it should be the 11th year. So Arun studies in the DAV school, Chandni Chowk, New Delhi. Okay, there are 200 students. Okay, every year. So Out of 200 students, the school 100 play cricket only, 60 play football only, 300 play basketball only, and 10 play no games at all. From these 200 students, one student is selected as a president, I think, to represent the school in different activities. What is the probability that the selected student plays cricket? Answer.
1/2.
By 2. What is the probability that the selected student plays either cricket or football?
4/5.
4/5.
It is 160 divided by 200, which is 4/5, correct? So what is the probability that the selected student neither plays cricket nor basketball? So you should not, so they should play football or no games. So it should be 70.
7/20.
What is the probability that the selected student does not play any game? 10 out of 20, 200, 1/20, 10 out of 200. What is the probability that the selected student plays any of the 3 games? So 160 plus 300. This is a mistake actually. It is not 300, it is 30.
30, sir.
It is 30 actually. So 160 plus 30 is 190. 190 divided by 20. Sorry, 200. 19 by 20. There's a problem based on coordinate geometry. CE. Find the coordinates of point E where Ishan has to plant his flower plant. What is the answer?
5 units.
5,6. Putting answer 6,5.
Oh, I didn't get the answer, sir.
CE is to EB is 3:2. So 3 into 8, 24 plus 21 divided by 5. So 45, 45 by 5. That should be 9. Option A. Oh, sorry. 24 plus 2 into 3 is 6. This is 6. 6, 21 plus 4, 25 by 5. 25 by 5 is 6. 6,5 the answer.
Yes, sir.
So can you explain it again? I didn't understand.
Ishan is planning to plot at some point E, and that E is in such a way that CE is to EB. CE is to EB is 3:2. So you need to use the section formula and find the coordinates of point E. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So 3 into 8, 24 plus 2 into 3, 6. Okay, 6,5 is the answer. Find the area of the triangle ECD. ECD. Okay, area of the triangle ECD. Area of the triangle ECD. So this height is 3, correct? Because from the base, this height is 5. 6,5 is the coordinate. Up in this height is 3. 2 points. So what is this distance? 7. So half into 7 into 3, 21 by 2, 10.5 should be. Yes. Find the distance between the plants of Ajay and Deepak. Ajay is here. Deepak is here. So AD distance is root of 49 plus 25. So it is root of 64, 8 or 9. So what is that? There is no option. Oh, so root of 49 25 is root 74. So root 74 will be 8 point something. So 8.60 should be the answer. Correct? The distance between AB. Distance between AB is 5.
5 units.
Difference in their x coordinates when it is along the same straight line. The distance between CD is You already
7.
completed the answers. Right. So I think that this was good. Right. So any more doubts that you have? You're clear?
No doubts, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. That's good. Okay, I'll see you all tomorrow then with that part test 3 paper. That's you guys. We can wind up. There are no doubts.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.